Hello, I'm Darren Walker, and I'm delighted to be here to congratulate the graduating class of the University of Richmond in 2020. Although I'm sorry I'm not able to be with you on this solemn and important occasion, I am happy to be with you digitally and to offer brief reflections, which are really inspired by the words of Dr. Martin Luther King, who during a time when the United States was in turmoil in the 1960s, within weeks of his assassination, he worried deeply about his country. Cities were on fire. We were in a war that caused dissension amongst Americans, and across all of our society, there were huge challenges among the races. And during this time, in a moment of deep reflection and depression, Dr. King said to his friend Harry Belafonte the following: "America's house is on fire. Where are her firefighters?" Well, class of 2020, the University of Richmond, you are America's firefighters. The firefighters for justice, the firefighters for social change, the firefighters who are going to lead the way to a better future. In spite of the darkness we are now living through, there are better days ahead. We will be relying on you to provide light and lead the way. Congratulations, University of Richmond, class of 2020. I salute you. Thank you.